How to create a poll on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can create a poll on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. So first things first, what we need to do is we need to create a group. Let's go ahead and create a group. So as you can see, we already have a group chat over here. So what we'll do now is we'll click on this plus button over here at the bottom left corner, and then we can see we have the option of polls. We'll click on polls, and then we have the text poll over here. What is your favorite games? Let's go ahead and add that. What is your favorite game? And then in options, we can type then answers. Let's say Red Dead Redemption. That is an option. Call of Duty. We can also add Spider Man. And once you have added the options, all you have to do is click on create poll, wait for it to be created, and there is your poll. Then people can go ahead and vote whatever they want. So that is how you create a poll in Facebook Messenger. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care. Goodbye.